Hello friends, today I am going to share with you about solar system and planets. Let us know more about it. How many planets are there in our solar system? Let us know more about it. First of all, we will learn what is solar system. The sun and all the planets make a family. All planets are natural objects that revolve around the sun is called solar system. It is made up of sun, 8 planets and their moon. There are 8 planets in our solar system. These are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Solar system is formed by gravity in a large molecular cloud. Mostly it gathered in center and the rest flattened into an orbiting disk that makes a solar system. It is thought that in this way stars are made. Now we will know about sun. The sun is made up of burning gases, hydrogen and some helium. That is why it produces more heat and light. It helps us in many ways. It helps planets to produce food. It heats water and turns it into water vapor. On cooling, this water vapor forms clouds which bring rain. It gives us natural heat and light. The sun is a star. It contains 99.9% of the solar system's mass. That's why it has a strong gravity. The other objects are pulled into orbit around the sun. Now, first planet is Mercury. Mercury is the closest and smallest planet to the sun. It is slightly larger than Earth's moon. It has no atmosphere to protect it from the sun's relentless radiation. Its daytime temperature reaches around 430 degrees Celsius and night temperature goes low as minus 180 degrees Celsius. It is named after the Roman messenger of the gods due to its speedy rotation around the sun. This planet has no moon. Next is Venus. Venus is the hottest planet in our solar system. It is the second planet and closest neighbor of the Earth. Its surface is covered with craters, volcanoes, mountains, and big lava plains. The atmosphere of Venus is very hot and thick. The atmosphere of Venus is made up of carbon dioxide and thick cloud of sulfuric acid completely cover the planet. Next planet is Earth. Earth is our third planet from the Sun. It is the only planet where life exists. The Earth moves around the Sun. It also turns in space. Its different parts phase at different times. Earth moves around the Sun once in a year for 365.25 times. The Earth takes one round trip under 24 hours. There is large amount of water on Earth, that's why it is called a blue planet. The atmosphere of the Earth is made up of nitrogen and plenty of oxygen for breathing. The planet Earth is not named after a god. Its name is called from England and German word for ground. Next is Mars. Mars is the fourth planet of the solar system. It is the nearest planet beyond the Earth. Mars is known as red planet. It is red because the soil looks like rusty iron. It is very cold. Mars is rocky with canyons, volcanoes and craters all over it. It has clouds and wind. Mars has about 1/3 the gravity of Earth. It does not have much oxygen, mostly there is carbon dioxide gas. Next is Jupiter. Jupiter is the fifth and largest planet in solar system. It is called a gas giant planet. The atmosphere of Jupiter is Sun. The planet is covered in thick red, brown, yellow and white clouds. Its most famous feature is the great red spot. Jupiter is very windy. Jupiter rotates faster than any other planets. Next planet is Saturn. Saturn is the sixth planet from the Sun and the second largest in the solar system after Jupiter. Saturn is a gas giant planet. It takes 10.7 hours to rotate on its axis once. This planet is best known for its ring. The planet's rings are made up of billions of ice particles and rocks. The average temperature is minus 178 degrees. Saturn is a pretty and cool planet. Next planet is Uranus. Uranus is the seventh planet from the Sun. Its atmosphere is similar to Jupiter's and Saturn's in its primary composition of hydrogen and helium. It contains more ice like water, ammonia and methane. Uranus looks blue due to methane. The rings have faint colors. The inner rings are dark and narrow and the outer rings are bright and visible. Like Venus, Uranus rotates east to west, but Uranus is unique in that rotates on its side. Its name is a reference to the Greek god of the sky. Next planet is Neptune. Neptune is the eighth and outermost planet from the Sun. It is very far from the Earth, so we cannot see with unaided eyes. It is visible from telescope and appears as a tiny faint blue-green disk. Its name is a reference to Roman god of the sea. It is 4 times wider than Earth. It is an ice giant. Its atmosphere is made up mostly of molecular hydrogen, atomic helium and methane. In this way, all 8 planets in the solar system orbit the Sun in the direction of the Sun's rotation. 6 planets of the solar system rotate clockwise and 2, Venus and Uranus, they rotate anti-clockwise. This means that on Venus the Sun rises in the west and sets in the east. Same happens with Uranus. Thank you for watching this video, but don't forget to like, share and subscribe.